Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. You may have been hearing the word Egbe Emere in Yoruba religion and keep wondering who they are. Some mix this up with Yami or Eleye. In this video, you are going to understand who the Egbe Emere are in Yoruba religion and culture. Before I dive deep into it, it is very necessary for me to extend my honor to this group called Egbe Emere. Kindly accept my respect and honor. So let's get started. It is common in the tradition of some Yorubas to see an exceptional child who looks beautiful as Omo Abiku. In most cases, a female child. No, it is not right. Egbe means a group. Why the Egbe such child belongs to could be Emere and the rest. But in this video, we'll be looking at Egbe Emere. So, what is Emere? An Emere in the traditional Yoruba culture or Isese Yoruba religion is someone who has both spiritual and physical power. They can travel between the spiritual and physical world as they want. Travel here means that they can leave this physical world to the spiritual world when they want. For instance, to hold a meeting with their Egbe or something else. It is believed that some impatient Emere prefer to live a little while on earth, that is, this physical world, and go back to their spiritual world at their tender age. It is equally believed that Emere are spirits in disguise as they live with humans, but have a unique lifestyle that is extraordinary. Emere see death as nothing to worry about, as they most often die on a particular day of joy, depending on the degree of happiness of the day and the promise they have made in their spiritual realm on the day they are going to leave this world. In Yoruba culture and traditions and the Isese Yoruba religion, it is furthermore believed that Emere are extremely pretty humans with powers that is best known to them, meaning they do not disclose their identity to anyone except a spiritual person such as a babalawo, herbalist, and any other spiritual leaders who know them and plead with them to enjoy this physical world better than orun, meaning where they came from. In the ancient Yoruba culture, when a female child is born and growing up, then such child falls sick often or faints often. The parent will consult a spiritual leader to know if she's an Emere or not. If such child is confirmed to be an Emere, the spiritual leader will begin to do offerings to plead with the Egbe of the child not to take her away. Such offering continues for the child to live a normal life on earth and to avoid untimely death or death on the child's happy day. When this child grows up, it is equally important for the child to always remember the Egbe by offering sacrifice to them from time to time, as investigated by the spiritual leader who helped to plead with the Egbe. Such regular offerings will enable the Egbe not to be upset with the child anymore, thereby continues to support her in life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.